actually an incredibly warm day today. You see the sunshine? It is absolutely ridiculous.
It is so...
Most people would be happy for sunshine, but we are 6 days away from Christmas.
And it's starting to feel like snow. I just feel like it should be summer again.
I mean, it's -3 out right now, but the sun is so warm, and we got a tiny little dusting of snow last night, nothing really worth caring about, and it was just so...
It was just so nice.
It doesn't feel like Christmas at all. But we're gonna go through it. We're gonna do it. I'm gonna make sure.
But we're actually just here to like do my Christmas shopping, and then we'll probably have some lunch.
Do you have your list?
Oh.
No pockets in your sweater either. We really dressed for the occasion.
I thought this was just a book.
It looks adorable. Oh, I might. Hold on.
Step it, please.
Okay, now you can tap it right up on the top there. Just hold it till it beeps. There you go. So soft. Oh my gosh.
There's flowers.
Look at this one too. I bet that's, oh yeah, this one's just as soft. That's really pretty. Makes sense though. Christmas is only a week away. They're kind of expensive. They're like $15 for a silly little... Some weird candies.
Yeah, 1 minute. I'm gonna get fries with my lunch.
Yep. Supreme fries. Look at you. 2 tacos. Are you gonna eat all that?
Yeah.
Awesome. I got my iced tea and my wrap. Oh, what'd she get? Nothing! Try and go back a little bit. Look, you can almost get those 2 owls. I bet if you tried to go over top of, see the pink owl and the brown owl? Tried to go over. Now come forward this way a little bit. Over towards the other side. Back a little bit. Back a little bit.
It won't let you go back.
There you go. You got 2, honey. Good job. You got a llama and a freaking owl. That's amazing. What's that, honey? You know what is so funny? I got that thing the other day so that I don't have to worry about balancing you there. Remember the stand with the suction cup that I unboxed the other day? It is still in my basement. I gotta remember to put it in my car so that I don't have to worry about holding on to the bottom of the stand. When I turn corners. But I just dropped, Anthony actually met us at the mall on his way home from work so that I could give him a ride home. I think his original idea was to go and go do some Christmas shopping, but he's just not feeling very well and not feeling the mall atmosphere right now, which honestly, I don't blame him. Like, I think after taking my kids, after taking Rowan to the mall and taking Dare to the mall, I think that's enough for me until, you know, next year. And I don't mean that funny as in next year as in a couple weeks. I mean next year as in like next Christmas. Right? Consider going back to the mall. Like I sincerely hate going to malls. Even when I was a teenager and it was that thing, it was the thing to go to the mall and hang out because, you know, as 90s millennials, we, I'm an 80s millennial, but 90s, I'm a 90s kid, 80s baby. Anyways, nobody needs to know that. Even when it was like the cool thing to do, I was there with my friends, but I never really, I don't know, I never really, like, if we were gonna just hang out and just chill and just like talk to my friends, like, can we go do it in somebody's basement or at the forest somewhere? I mean, maybe that's the farm town girl in me, I have no idea. But yeah, anyways, I think it went really, really well. I got to have lunch with my Dara and have a little conversation with her about things, and she's getting to the age now where I need to make sure that she understands that, you know, she can talk to me about anything, and there are no secrets between us, and she can talk to me about anything, any question. Nothing's off limits, and nothing's weird, nothing's uncomfortable, nothing's embarrassing. Like, she can literally talk to me about anything. But I think we really had a good time, and I'm gonna go and anyways, I'm gonna go get my fur baby, and I will be back. So close in my face right now. I should have put it down there. I'm gonna change this. Hold on. Huh. So ironically, my camera's about to die, so I'm gonna charge it on my way out. But you are officially on a stand in my car that I don't have to worry about falling. Look at this. Ready? I don't have to reach for shit. You're just gonna stay there. I'm so excited. Oh my God, this is amazing. I'm just gonna chat for a minute until my camera dies. But I'm on my way to the dog park with Miss Callie Cakes, and we're gonna go and do some running around before I do a day's worth of laundry. That's basically what my day looks like, is laundry today. I might get some wrapping done, and I definitely have to be on my computer for a good chunk of today, that's for sure. Oh my God, why didn't I get one of these so much sooner? This stand I showed you, I tried to put it up here because I thought maybe if I had like a higher angle I could look better. But obviously that's not gonna happen. I will never look any better than I already do. I'm not sure if that's a self-deprecating or a encouragement. What is the word that I'm looking for? I don't know. I don't know if that was meant to make myself feel better or worse about myself, but whatever it is. I'm just gonna go this way and I'll go up the next road. That's totally fine, guys. You wanna block my shit, make it so I can't go certain places? My goodness. I'm so excited now though to have this, because now I can actually have conversations. I can focus on driving and not die. Like, that's a plus, right? I can actually, like, you know, everybody's looking to not die these days. It's like a goal that we all have as humanity, as humans. What road am I on? There we go. Anyways, I'm gonna go drop a bag of hand-me-down clothes to my friend. She's got 2 boys that are older than my son, and then she's got 1 boy that's younger than my son. So I get hand-me-downs from her for Rowan all the time. I cycle through them, add to them. Some of the clothes kind of disappear because they get ruined and thrown out or whatever, but it's like I just add to the bag and give it back to her, and it's like she has the hand-me-downs for her kid. But anyways, I'm gonna go and drop that off, and I will be right back. So I did it again. I dropped my camera yet again. I don't see any new. I think that line is still, oh my gosh. I think that line is still the same line. I'm just putting my hand there because I don't think, yeah, I don't think there's new lines, but there is, that line is still there. And I just turned my camera on and it like major zoomed in on my face and then backed up a little bit. I don't know if it was on a setting to do that or if my camera's fucked. So who knows? Maybe my whole journey here is going to be cut very, very short because I'm a clumsy klutz bag. What I need to do, I think, is if I get a new camera, or even for this camera just to protect it so it doesn't get any worse, I need to get like a case or something for it, like something to carry it in that's like drop proof, like has a little bit of drop resistance to it. But I'm finally sitting at my desk for the first time in way too long. If you can hear it behind me, I'm doing laundry, so I apologize if that's annoying, but I have so much laundry that I need to do, so that's just gonna have to be the way it is. I'm finally sitting down and editing. I have so much to catch up on. We have 5 days until Christmas, and I have so much editing to catch up on. Right now is the first day of Yule. I was gonna say solstice, but is it the winter solstice today? Winter solstice, da-da-da-da. December 21st, so tomorrow is technically